Okay, so I just wanted to quickly go over setting this clock up, see if we can get it figured out. We'll plug in there. So now it's at 12 o'clock. And you have several different buttons on the back. You can change the lights. So the first button on the back says set. So let's hit it. And we can go up and down. Keep going if it's PM. Alright, now let's hit set again. And we need to put the minutes. Set. Hit the down button after you have your time set, and the down button causes the alarm to show up. You hold in the set button for the alarm when the alarm is visible. So set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set. Now you can choose what you want to wake up to. That would make me have to go to the bathroom. So I think I'm going to go with that. Hit set. So it's 8:08 p.m. PM there, and my alarm is set. And so in the morning it should go off. And it'll start out like that and increase and increase and increase. Just like the sun coming up. Very, very cute little clock.